So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account in the Leonardo AI app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the Leonardo AI app, then click on the logo at the top left corner. After that, tap on sign up and then select sign up with email. Now enter your email address and create a password. Then click on sign up. Next, you'll receive a verification code in your email. Enter that code here and click on verify. After that, you'll see a username. You can delete it and create your own custom username if you like. Then choose your interests. You can select anything you want and tap on allow at the bottom. Finally, click on get started and that's it. Your Leonardo AI account has been successfully created. So guys, if you found this video even a little helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.